Welcome to our countdown of the most advanced military drones in the world. For centuries, the skies above battlefields were dominated by manned aircraft, but the dawn of a new era has arrived. These technological marvels are changing the face of modern warfare. From unmanned hunter-killers to silent, watchful eyes in the sky, these are the most sophisticated military drones ever created. High above the desolate landscape, a new apex predator stalks its prey. This is the MQ-9 Reaper, a hunter-killer drone developed for the United States Air Force. With its sleek grey fuselage and menacing wingspan, the Reaper is a formidable force in the sky. It can stay aloft for over a day, patiently observing the battlefield below with its sophisticated sensor suite. And when the time is right, it can strike with deadly precision, launching Hellfire missiles that find their targets with pinpoint accuracy. The Reaper, a machine of war for the modern age. In the stratosphere, far above the reach of conventional aircraft, soars the RQ-4 Global Hawk. This remarkable machine is the embodiment of persistent surveillance. With its enormous wingspan and advanced radar systems, the Global Hawk can survey vast areas of land in a single flight. It can distinguish individual vehicles from altitudes exceeding 60,000 feet, providing invaluable intelligence to commanders on the ground. Day and night, the Global Hawk circles tirelessly above, its unblinking eye watching all below. From the workshops of Turkey comes a new breed of combat drone, the Bayraktar TB2. Don't be fooled by its small size. This drone packs a punch. The Bayraktar TB2 has proven itself on battlefields around the world, known for its agility and precision strikes. Armed with laser-guided munitions, it can eliminate enemy targets with minimal collateral damage. The Bayraktar TB2, a testament to the rapidly evolving world of drone warfare. Out of the mists, a shape emerges like something out of science fiction. This is the X-47B, an unmanned combat air vehicle designed for carrier-based operations. With its tailless, bat-like design, the X-47B is a technological marvel. It can take off and land autonomously on an aircraft carrier, a feat once thought impossible for unmanned aircraft. And, in a feat that pushes the boundaries of drone technology, the X-47B has demonstrated autonomous aerial refueling, extending its already impressive range. Named after the Celtic god of thunder, the Taranis is a stealth combat drone developed by BAE Systems. Cloaked in secrecy, the Taranis represents the cutting edge of drone technology. Its sleek, low, observable design allows it to penetrate enemy airspace undetected, gathering vital intelligence and carrying out precision strikes. The Taranis, a harbinger of things to come in the ever-evolving world of aerial warfare. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the most advanced military drones in the world. From the silent predator to the stealthy harbinger of storms, these machines are rapidly changing the face of modern warfare. Stay tuned for more fascinating insights into cutting-edge technology.